Hello, hi everyone. So today's video is going to be very exciting. Actually, I'm very excited to show you these. So हमने अपने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कतान सिल्क के फैब्रिक्स, फ्यू आर तंचोई, फ्यू आर कड़वा, फ्यू आर कटवर्क, उनके साथ कोरा सिल्क के दुपट्टास पेयर किए हैं. एक दो जॉर्जेट एंड दूसरे भी हैं, बट दीज आर सेट्स मेड बाय अस. So in case you want only the dupatta, you can go in only for the dupatta. Or you want the only the fabric, you can go only for the fabric. And fabric you can buy by meters जितना भी चाहिए आपको. there is no limitation. We have quite big thans. So आपको अनारकली बनाना है, कॉट सेट बनाना है, सेम ऑन सेम लेना है. सो यू हैव मेनी ऑप्शंस. जैसे कि मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, हमारे सूट सेट्स में 2.5 से 3 मीटर का ही कुर्ता रहता है. सो यू डोंट हैव चॉइस. और हमें बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, अरे मुझे तो ज्यादा चाहिए, मुझे 5-6 मीटर्स चाहिए. सो दीज आर फॉर यू गाइस. So these are just some amazing pieces, just right in time for the festive and the wedding season. Just pick them up if you like them. As I always say, oh wow, what a combination. Very rare color combination. Peacock blue hai. This is fabric has tanchui. I'll just come close and show you. And this is the Kora silk ka dupatta in kadwa which we have paired. So guys, मैं आपको price range दे रही हूँ, but you'll have to check for the exact price for the set, because as I told you, fabric is separate. So this is the तंचोई, you can see. तो बेस कलर इज ग्रीन, उसके ऊपर ब्लू की तंचोई हुई है. इट्स फैबुलस कलर. Okay, and this is another tanchoi ka. The price for dupattas in Kora, they all are in Kadwa, is for 12,620. So in case आप खाली दुपट्टा लेते हो, for you it's 12,620. अगर आपको सेट लेना है, so the fabric are all different, 4,620, 4,020, अलग अलग रेंज है. You'll have to check with us for the fabrics. And then the set with the chanderi bottom roughly comes to up to 22,620 or 24,620, depending upon the fabric कौन सा ले रहे हो. So that's with the chanderi bottom. अगर आप silk bottom ले रहे हो, then it will be different. So this is another beautiful pink tanchui, and I'm just going to come closer. बहुत छोटा डिजाइन है. For this, it makes sense you go for same on same bottom and kurta. And this is the dupatta with it. You can see how fabulous the dupatta is. It has a slight meena in the borders, paisleys hai, sona rupa ki, and this is the tassels are done. They are ready to go out. Only the bottoms will take 2 to 3 days. आप चंदेरी ले रहे हो, आप सिल्क ले रहे हो, या full fabric का ही bottom ले रहे हो, same on same. It all depends upon that. So I told you a rough range. It would be somewhere around 22,620 or 24,620, depending upon what is the fabric with the chanderi bottom. If you are going in for silk bottom, it will go a bit higher. So this is another fabulous fabric in maroon with the jal and a bit of tinchui. I'll come closer to show you the fabric. So this is the dupatta in Kora with it. So you can see how gorgeous these sets are. You won't find these sets anywhere क्योंकि ये हमने बनाए हैं sets. They are not there available anywhere in the market. So they look, they are unique, they are different, and this is the fabric का close up for you. So you can see maroon का तंचोई भी है, gold जरी का जाल भी है. So all in one is there. So this is another fabulous new, brand new design for you in cream with the hint of red and pink meena. Just have a close look. I'll show you the dupatta with it. So this is a very cream gold color, liquid gold color, whatever you want to call it. बहुत लोग आते हैं हमारे पास क्रीम चाहिए मुझे, I want to wear full cream. So this is a perfect set for you. So this is the tissue ka dupatta. The price for the dupatta is 14,620, 14,620 for this Kadwa tissue, Katan by tissue dupatta. It's a beautiful dupatta going perfectly well with this fabric. The selvage is matching to the meena, and the dupatta color is okay. The fabric for price for this fabric is 4,620 per meter. Okay, even this fabric is 4,620 per meter. It's in Kadwa with a hint of red meena. So all fabrics are pure Katan silk. Some are in tanchui, some are in brocade, some are in jal, some are in kadwa. So all the weaves are different, but the fabric is pure Katan silk. So this is again a beautiful shade of green. This one has a dual tone, halka sa dhoop chhaw, and this is the Kora silk dupatta. We've paired it up. It's a gorgeous combination and a very rare color shade. So I'm going to come close and show you both. So guys, if the fabric is 4620, the dupatta is 12620, you can do the math. अब fabric आपको 2.5 मीटर का कुर्ता लेना है and you want to go for a chanderi bottom. Chanderi bottom of ours is for 700 rupees per meter. So you can do the math and calculate it कितना आ रहा है. और अगर आप सिल्क का बॉटम लेते हो that's 2020 per meter plain silk. So that you can do the math and you can make the set according to you. आपको कैसा बनाना है. So this is another fabulous fabric in stripes with kadwa buta and gorgeous shade of hot pink. So इसके साथ हमने ये दुपट्टा पैक किया है. You can see how gorgeous था. ये आपको थोड़ा शेड में फर्क लग रहा होगा because इसमें जो पिंक स्ट्राइप्स है, the दुपट्टा has been matched to that. Because इसमें 2 colors है fabric में, तो we had to pick one color. We thought of going with the pink one. Yeah. So this is the close look for you. It's a fabulous fabric again. Okay, now this set what I'm going to show you is with a Georgette dupatta. So this is the fabric in Katan silk. It's a brocade, very soft, very flowy in red color. I'm going to show you the single layer first. और बैक साइड भी दिखाती हूँ आपको. Just hold the dupatta. Okay, this is the close look of the fabric. ये ऐसे आएगा डिजाइन. And this is the back side. It's very neat, very plain, very smooth. नहीं दिख रहा? Okay, sorry. So this is the back side. So this I'm gonna fold it up and show it to you with the dupatta. So इसमें आप same on same भी ले सकते हो, नारकली बना सकते हो. Go for a plain red color का bottom, either in silk or in chanderi, whatever you feel like. And this is the fabulous dupatta. We've paired it up because the fabric is so rich, so heavy looking. हमने उसके साथ दुपट्टा बहुत simple plain रखा है. In our Georgette cutwork dupatta, it's for 11,620. So all the dupattas have the tassels. They are ready to go out. Only the bottoms will take a few 2 to 3 days to get dyed. Okay, this is another beautiful black Katan silk jal fabric in Sona Rupa. So this is the close look of the fabric. Okay, with this we have paired this black Kora silk dupatta. So guys, मैंने आपको I think of lately with 1 महीने के करीब से बहुत सारे सिल्क फैब्रिक्स के साथ ऑप्शंस दिखाए हैं. हमने अपने कड़वा जॉर्जेट के दुपट्टास भी दिखाए थे. यू गाइज लव देम एंड आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट ओवर विद द दुपट्टास. हमने ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है. दे आर टेकिंग सम टाइम टू मेक बिकॉज जॉर्जेट है, कड़वा है, टेक्स टाइम. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा विद इट. सो ये वाला जो वीडियो था दैट वाज प्योर कतान सिल्क फैब्रिक्स विद कोरा सिल्क दुपट्टास इन कड़वा. सो बहुत ऑप्शंस है फॉर यू टू चूज फ्रॉम. You can take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number and we'll be there to assist you.